Hey guys, this is Ahmed Amshan, aka TechnoGenuine. So I guess it's my first time showing my face on this channel. I just want to say that I'm very thankful of all your support throughout the years. And let me just show you something very cool. I got this from the Samsung. I really don't know what is inside, but let us find it out. We got a special letter from Samsung president to Samsung members inviting us to Epic Party, where we can meet and chat with other Samsung members throughout the world virtually. I can't wait to see it and meet awesome members. Let us see what else is in there. We'll check that out in just a moment. For now, let us unbox the big one. Just amazing. I can see some amazing goodies in it. We'll take them out one by one and show you. The first one is looking like a mini confetti pop-up cannon, so I'll save that for later. The second thing we get is the color markers, probably applied on something, so we'll check that out later. Third one we have is some sort of stick. Let us just take out the plastic very quick and show you. Create everyday epic moments, hashtag Team Galaxy. You can write your epic moments in words using marker or whatever you feel like. I'll write down power and a smiley face, as my Galaxy device is always best when it comes to playing high-end games, and I'm really excited on what's coming next. Well, that's not all, there are even more goodies. Okay, that's just amazing. It has a Samsung members label, looks nice and high quality. I will definitely use it on the Epic Party event tomorrow. We get a small package of some sort of hard plastic. Just gonna take that out very quick. Not sure what this is used for, so we'll let you know after a while. Turns out to be hologram. That's just mind-blowing and amazing. Here's a short clip. Moving on, let's remove everything from there. Couple of cool stickers that you could use. We get the foil balloons, a couple of letters, and immediately I could guess the word. It is Galaxy. Just lovely from Samsung. Finally, to end this amazing unboxing experience, we'll just place the decoration banner that came along in this kit. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and stay tuned for more awesome videos, and peace out.